Let's learn how to disconnect Facebook from Mobile Legends. You have already connected some Facebook account on your Mobile Legends? And in meanwhile, you change your Facebook account, or maybe you don't want to be connected anymore, so because of that, I'm going to show you how to remove your Facebook account from Mobile Legends. First, let's open Mobile Legends on your device and make sure you are already connected to the right account on which you want to remove Facebook account. After that, you can see in the top left corner of the screen a little picture of your profile on which you need to click. Now you are come on your profile menu, and you can see in the left side of the screen a bar with several options on which you must to click on last option, Account. There is your account settings, and you can see list of apps, where is your account connected, and go to Remember UID. You can see it in top right corner of the screen, but for this case you can see I'm already connected to the Facebook account, so to remove it, go to click on Account Center in the right side of the screen. This show you a pop-up menu on which have two sections. First is Manage Account, and second is Account Security. And in Account Security section, you can see three different options on which you need to click on Disconnect Third-Party Account. Then Mobile Legends show you a pop-up menu where you must to select the account you want to disconnect. And when you select Mobile Legends again, shows you a pop-up menu with two options. And I'm always recommended to you to disconnect via Connected Account. That is first option. Before you disconnect, keep in mind that your account will be under risk of account hack and account lost once you disconnecting, like as Mobile Legends said. And if you sure you want to disconnect, enter your ID told you to remember before. And when you done, click on OK option. Next, Mobile Legends show you pop-up menu where you need to select why you want to disconnect you. Facebook account. Mobile Legends offers to you four options, which is, I want to switch to another social account. I lost my social account, or my social account is not available anymore. I'm afraid that my privacy will be leaked, and other. Recommend to you to select a second option, because when you select a second option, you don't need to connect to another account. And when you select, click OK. And last step is to click on Continue like your Facebook account, and wait a couple of seconds, and now your Facebook account is removed. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.